Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you how to make this top. Very easy, very simple, and really great for the beginners. So, if you want to know how to make this, then keep on watching. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like if you like this kind of video, to comment down below if you have any questions, and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much guys. Now, let's proceed with the video. By the way, for those of you who already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much guys. I really do appreciate your kindness. Thank you, thanks a million. Now, let's proceed with the video. But of course, before we get started, let me first show you the result. This is how it looks. I'm also showing a few styles that you can do with this cute top. But I'm pretty sure that you can style it better than I do. So guys, if you liked it, then keep on watching. This is the fabric that I'm using, and this is 100% polyester. Fold these both sides using an iron to keep it folded, then sew. Now, this is how it should look. And this time, we have to fold the top and the lower part of this dress. 3 centimeters for the top part of this dress, and 5 centimeters for the lower part. You can fold it more or less, it's totally up to you. Now, we just have to add the elastic on the top and on the lower part, and we are almost done. Make sure to pull the elastic towards you while sewing, just like how I do on this video. I almost forgot to tell, this is very important to use a zigzag stitch when sewing elastic. Sew it near the side edge, as near as you can, but of course, it doesn't have to be perfect, like how you can see on this video. Sew the other side edge, but this is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is how it looks, but once again, you can only do it if you want to. This is optional. These two pieces, I cut it from the strap that I've just made. This is to attach on the lower part of the top. You'll see what I mean. That's it, guys. We just have to sew all this and we are done. That was easy, right? Now it's your turn. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you do, please do not forget to like, to comment down below, and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.